Hey guys, Chris here, hernia without surgery. We're gonna do today front cable rows, which will work your back exercise. The key of this exercise is watch my front foot and my back foot. My back foot is planted, my front foot takes the pressure off the hernia. I was diagnosed with this hernia 14 years ago. I did not want surgery. I figured out so many ways to get around it. I'm happy today. I don't even feel it like I have a hernia. Now we're gonna show you the back view of how this exercise works. My back foot, look at how nice and tight it is to the floor. My front foot is forward, nice and slow. I'm actually doing 3-second holds just to put some more pressure on the muscle in my back. Like I said, my journey speaks for itself.